Hey guys, on today's video we're going to take a look at PlayStation Plus. So right now, if you go into your PlayStation Plus, you will notice that you get some packs for free. So we're going to exactly do that. We're going to take a look at there. So right now we have this. If we just scroll to the right a little bit more, we're going to see latest packs. So just click on latest packs. It should take us to this window where we see them all. So if you guys haven't downloaded anything from here before, this would be the time to do it. There's a lot of packs and for a lot of games. One of them is for Fortnite. So if you guys play Fortnite, you can get stuff for free right here. So right now, here's the latest one. And let's just start off with Fortnite. And you will notice that they are in fact free. So this is the celebration pack. We can go on and download it. Every month there's something different in here. Not every month there's something different for Fortnite, but every month there's something just different. Now, for this to actually work, make sure Fortnite is fully closed. So that means you quit the app. Then you open it up again, and you should see this on your Fortnite. So we're going to run Fortnite in just a second to show you. Even if you guys see a message like right now, it tells me that's unavailable, right? It's still going to work. So let's just show you that in a second. Now we have purchased this, we have purchased that. Just make sure that you guys have downloaded everything that makes sense to you. So there's a lot of packs down here below. I can see that I'm all cut on. I downloaded all the ones that made sense to me. They all say purchased. Let's just run Fortnite for now so you guys can take a look how to claim this. So again, Fortnite should be turned off completely. So there's no other games. Actually, it doesn't matter if there's other games downloading or even if you're playing other games. If you're having a problem actually claiming this stuff, just restart your console. You should be fine. So right now we're just going to run Fortnite and we're going to take a look. There's no section where we can go in order to claim this. It's just going to pop up right away as we log into Fortnite. Alright, so as we log into Fortnite, you might see something like this. You can just close it up. But right away, we should see this popping up where it tells us rewards. So right now, we can actually equip this or just claim it. Same thing. We can just go next. I'm going to equip it in this case so you guys can take a look at it. I'm going to equip this as well. And obviously this too. So equipped. And let's just go into a game really fast. Let me just make sure this is set to private for now. Let's just go into a match so you guys can actually see this in action. Guess we can go into solos and check that out. So here is the emote that we got from it. That's what it looks like. Now we want to see it in a real game, so we're going to check that out right this second. Alright, so right now we're going to be able to take a look at the glider and the Contrail. So this is the Contrail. Looks pretty neat. Actually, yeah, it's not getting in my way. Looks pretty sleek. Now let's take a look at the glider itself. So here's the glider. Yeah, anything that we get from PlayStation usually ends up looking like this, kind of. Yeah, it's a PlayStation type of look. Now I'm gonna land somewhere so you guys can take a look at the actual emote in action in a game. I'm not the biggest fan of the glider, but it's pretty well done. And again, it goes with the whole PlayStation look that usually happens. So let's just start emoting up here. Here we go. And emote time. So this is the emote that we get for free. So guys, if you guys have PlayStation Plus, which is something that we need in order to play online, obviously not every game, only some games we need that. Let's go dance in front of somebody and see if they kill us right away. I'm assuming they will, but let's just try it out for fun. Never mind, they're shooting us already. I think everybody's shooting us. Let's just emote and see if they stop. Well, they kind of stopped. Let's go down there. And I need to find somebody to dance in front of. I think they're bots, so they might not get the fact that I'm just dancing. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. No, he can't see my dance there. Hold on. Let me dance right here. Come on. Why are you hiding from me? There you go. It must be a bot to actually miss all those shots. Anyways, that's the emote, guys. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.